got
So hello guys, so today is another day for another workout and it's a Monday guys. It's July 29 and gamay ra gyud mi karon. Gamay pa kay mi karon. So after this maybe so I'm going to have my warm up today. I think it would be the 7-minute warm up workout. So after we are done with the warm-up, this is what we are going to do. That and that. I think that's a new one. There, that's a new one. This circuit may looks good enough. Ang bugiro.
Yeah. My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working.
Dol, karon balik ka kabalik kay Dol. Idol ah. Busy kay kasi mo life ah. So guys, dugay kasi coach no kay napunder magutong napunder magutong suga. Na dead ball suga. So he changed it and now we're waiting for him to come. Pero nalat-ulat lang Mick. Liok-liok lang sa koron. Champion, Mr. Adonis. Sara.
Kato yung mga kalaban niya diri, grabe yung mga.
Man akong pasalubong sa
Grabe lang kondisyon.
Hong Kong. Pasalubong sa Hong Kong ba? Unsa man niyo? Wala man tayo pasalubong niyo. So guys, unfortunately, si coach wala pag yun. Kaya nagpalit siya sa suga. Kaya kato yung gipalit, dili siya maigo ato sa silang butanganan. And of course, I take the initiative to do my workout, my warm-up, just to have 10 stairs up and down. That's 10 all. And jumping rope for 2 minutes. That would be it. That's it. And my friend here is going to do the warm-up also, so that I'm going to join them. I'm going to join them for a while. I just need to relax a bit, and yeah. So the usual, I'm going to take the video of the last set of the workout, of the circuit I mean. So later. Okay guys. This is the last set. This is the last round. It was 10 rounds. I've finished the 9th round, and this last round is the 10th one. I don't like the burpees. I hate burpees, but I need to do it. So the 10th round is coming, and this burpees is the first one that I don't like. So ako na yung buhaton.
I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. Off topic, chronic. I think I'm Making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat. Not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack. Don't react, no react. Think I'm black off his back. While I rap, not the step. Throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Yes and nah, that I'm right, yeah.
Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked.
Okay guys, hangin. Kumana, nakita kong 10 rounds. So kung isa kakauban dito, ilang ka-rounds? Last! Kapag sa isa ka-round. Akong Jumega dito, pila na ka-rounds Jumega? Kasi 3. Tama siya 7 sunod. Apoy. So guys, I'm now having my rest. Kaya kapoy niya good. And nagsugod na sa pinakasugod sa last round ng akong kauban diri. And pagkuman sa akong rest, abs workout. And yep, and I'm done. So nakasurvive good ko sa 10 rounds. And kani siya po, manay na ni siya sa yung 10 rounds. So hapit na siya sa 10 rounds. Isa ko sa mga tao na nakahuman aning circuit sa 10 rounds. I'm so happy that I finished this circuit. Even though I'm so tired of doing it. I did my best. I did my part. I've worked hard for it to be done. So there's nothing to regret. And I'm so blessed and happy that I've finished it. So I guess this is where I'm gonna end my video. But I'm not yet done. I'm gonna do my abs workout now. And I'm done. That's my abs workout is around 4 rounds, 15 to 20 repetitions. What's abs, ha? So guys, this is where I'm gonna end in today's workout. So Kadus, see you in the next video and bye. Have a good rest, guys.